In this video, I am going to show you how to make YouTube TV the default app on your Samsung TV for quick and easy access. Unfortunately, Samsung TVs don't allow third-party apps like YouTube TV to become the default app in the same way a browser or system app might. However, you can still prioritize it by adding it to the home screen or favorites bar for faster access. To do this, start by opening the Samsung Smart Hub and locating the YouTube TV app. Once you find it, press the button on your remote that says Options or More, usually a gear icon or 3 lines. From there, select Add to Home or Add to Favorites. This will place the app on your home screen or in a quick access menu, depending on your TV model. Another option is to use the SmartThings app to customize your Samsung TV's layout, allowing you to rearrange apps and prioritize YouTube TV at the top of your app list. While it won't technically be the default app, these steps ensure it's always just a click away. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to prioritize YouTube TV on your Samsung TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.